everyone, welcome to my channel Crystal World Live. So this is dry marble nail art part 2. So in last video I have explained how to prepare this marble nail art. Okay, you no need to use water for this. So I'm just cutting this sticker into small pieces and so that I can use on my nails. So I'm using this nail polish which is from Mars. This is number 31. I'll apply on my two of my nails. Okay, it's kind of sky blue, but it's really the nice one blue. It's looking very nice. Along with this, I'll use another shade which is from Mars, that is Cosmos 44, which is darker than this color. And the combination of light and dark blue will look really great. It will be a great combination. You can see the final result. You can wait for that. So I'm applying single coat first. You can apply base coat, and then you can apply this. I just missed to apply the base coat. I'm applying this darker shade, and you can see the final look. It will look really great. So as per your choice or convenience, you can apply it, either use one layer or two layer. So I'll be using two layer. Okay. Because for me it seems it's like a little bit easy to remove the nail polish if it's a little bit thick. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this the marmalade art which I have cut it into small pieces. I'll be using as a stickers, and I'll remove the extra part. You can also apply a top coat and then you can use the sticker. It will get stick on the nails. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching. Kindly wait till end. Thank you for watching.